Hello everyone, this is Kavita Sharma. On behalf of Universal Academy, I welcome you all in the online session of class 12th. Today I will explain chapter 5 of your book Vistas, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? This chapter has been written by John Updike. Basically, here is a story about the worldview of a little child, the difficult moral question she raises during the story session with her father. Joe. Joe is the name of daughter and Jack is the name of father. On every Saturday, it was a custom that Jack always tells a story to her daughter, and the age of his daughter is 4 years old. In the evening, and for Saturday naps, Jack told his 4-year-old daughter Jo a story out of his head. Out of his head means he has not heard from anyone, it is his own imagination. This custom began means he has been telling a story to his daughter when she was only 2 years old. The ritual of the storytelling was especially on Saturday because Joe never fell asleep in naps anymore, and knowing this made the rite seem futile. Each new story was a slight variation of a basic tale. Every time the base of the story is same. There is a character named Roger, but every time the story has some variation. Usually Roger. I told you earlier, the name of the character is Roger in every story, but every time it has some variation, such as Roger Fish, Roger Squirrel, Roger Skunk, and many more. And in every story, it has been told that Roger had some problem and went to the wise old owl. The owl told him to go to the wizard, and the wizard performed a magic spell that solved the problem. And demanding in payment a number of pennies greater than the number of the Roger creature had. But he directed the animal to a place where the extra pennies could be found. Then Roger was so happy. He played many games with other creatures and went home to his mother. One day, Jack told Joe a story about Roger. Roger is a skunk who smelled so bad that all other little creatures avoided playing with him. So, he went to the wise old owl to seek advice from him. The owl advised him to go to the wizard. Roger went to the wizard to get rid of his awful smell. The wizard asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger replied, "Roses." The wizard demanded 7 pennies from Roger Skunk, but all he had was only 4 pennies. He was having only 4 pennies. The wizard demanded 7 pennies, but Roger Skunk had only 4 pennies. So he began to cry. The wizard directed him to go to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times and looked down the magic well, and there he would find 3 pennies. Roger Skunk got 3 pennies in the magic well and took them back to the wizard. Okay? He gave him a pleasant smell of roses. Now, Roger Skunk was very happy. He ran out into the woods, and all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. They played baseball, football, basketball, hockey, and many other games. Then it began to get dark and they all ran home to their mommies. Now they all were returning to mommies. Okay. The other animals were playing with him. Now he was very happy. Roger was very happy because other animals were playing with him. Now he was smelling like roses. When he came back to her, Roger Skunk, when he came back to his home, his mother got angry. She said that Roger smelled the way a little skunk should have. मीन्स उसकी मदर उसको बोलती है कि तुम्हारी स्मेल आज गंदी सी है, बिकॉज जो तुम्हारी स्मेल आज रोजेस की तरह है एंड स्कंक की स्मेल गंदी होती है, तो तुम आज मतलब अच्छा स्मेल क्यों कर रहे हो. एंड रोजर टोल्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग टू हिज मदर एंड शी टुक एन अम्ब्रेला. हु? मदर टुक एन अम्ब्रेला and bent back with Roger Skunk and hit the wizard right over the head. मम्मी पहुंचती है, विज़र्ड के पास पहुंचती है, उस मैजिशियन के पास पहुंचती है और उसके सर पर एक अम्ब्रेला मारती है और उसको कहती है कि तुमने मेरे बच्चे को एक गंदी सी स्मेल क्यों दे दी. बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट आवर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. आवर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक मीन्स हमारा जो पहचान है, दिस इज़ बैड स्मेल, और तुमने मेरे बच्चे को रोजेस की स्मेल दे दी, आवफुल स्मेल क्यों हटा दी. रोजर स्कैंक. Now the wizard restored the awful smell in Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk and his mommy went home. When Roger Skunk was in bed, Mommy Skunk hugged him and said he smelled like her little baby skunk. She loved him very much. Now, when Jack was telling the story to her daughter, Jo disapproved the end of this story because she was expecting something more. She was expecting the happy ending of the story. She tells her father, Papa, please change the end of the story. Mother should be punished. Means रोजर स्कंक की मम्मी को पनिशमेंट मिलना चाहिए बिकॉज उन्होंने रोजर स्कंक की जो रोजेस की स्मेल थी उसको ख़त्म कर दिया. सो शी डिसअप्रूव द एंडिंग बाय जैक. शी वॉज नॉट हैप्पी. उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि ये क्या एंड हुआ. इट इज़ नॉट द एंडिंग. शी इंसिस्टेड हर फादर टू टेल द सेम स्टोरी बट चेंज द एंडिंग. दैट विज़र्ड टुक दैट मैजिक बैंड एंड हिट द मॉमी and give back the rose smell to the Roger Skunk. Joe could not bear the thought of Roger Skunk with his foul smell. She was worried that the other animals would again run away from Roger Skunk. Joe wanted a happy ending of the story. Roger Skunk, enjoying the smell of roses and being accepted by other animals also. However, Jack insisted that it was the wizard that was hit and not the mother. He told Joe that eventually the other little animals got used the way he was and did not mind it at all. The point was that the little skunk loved his mommy more than he loved all the other little animals. And she knew, means mother knew what is right and what is wrong. Joe's constant caution and her non-acceptance of Jack's ending of the story appears to be a threat to his authority. So, Jack uses the ultimate weapon of adult authority and asked if she wanted him to spunk her. He refused to change the ending of the story because this time he wanted to learn a lesson to her child, and she should learn that parents are always right. Parents always do for the welfare of the child, and they always think best for their children. And that's why he did not change the end of the story. Okay, children, thank you. Now I have given the brief explanation of this story. If you have any problem, then join Zoom class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.